everyone, this is Trent with All Things Automotive. Thank you for shopping and thank you for clicking that play button. Today you're taking a closer look at our 2019 Ford F-150 Lariat. With just over 90,000 miles, this F-150 is equipped with a 3.5-liter V6 EcoBoost engine. It is four-wheel drive and it also has a clean CARFAX. In the front, you will find this F-150 well equipped with high-intensity headlights, LED daytime running lights, fog lights integrated into the lower bumper, accompanied by two front recovery hooks. Making our way down to the wheel and tire setup, you'll have a 20-inch high-gloss black alloy wheel wrapped up in a Goodyear tire, and we'll get into the exact tread depth here in just a moment. On the outside, you'll enjoy nice features like fixed running boards, turn signal indicators integrated right into your mirror cap, with a vehicle locator light down below, and you will also have passive door entry and a panoramic sunroof. Looking inside, you'll be met with a black on black theme with a lot of nice elements such as leather, red stitching, some high gloss elements with some chrome, and as you can see, that will continue throughout the entire interior of this Lariat. And once inside, you'll be kept comfortable by these heated and cooling front seats with red and black leather upholstery here. As we can see, nice thick comfortable bolster, and you will also have power adjustments on both the passenger and the driver's side. Located in the glove box of all of our vehicles, you will find the multi-point inspection. Here you can see all the tires are 10-30 seconds all the way around. The brake pads are good to go and everything else is green, ready to go for the next buyer. And guys, we do that so you don't have to put money into the wearables shortly after purchasing with All Things Automotive. Looking into the back seat, your passengers will have plenty of space and they're going to enjoy nice amenities like heated rear seats. Looks like we have a 110 back here with a flow-through center console with USB and 12-volt charging. Again, leather seats continue, obviously, and you will have that fold-down cup holder and armrest right here, and you will have some storage on the back of the seats, and of course, you get to enjoy that dual-pane panoramic sunroof. Making our way around to the 6.5-foot bed, you will notice this F-150 is equipped with a hard bed cover here, nice LED tail lights, rear proximity sensors, and all your towing equipment, including your 4- and 7-pin wiring, high-definition rear camera. Let's go ahead and drop the tailgate here. Nice spray-in bed liner here. And we also have your forward easy step. That'll come down like that. So there's your step, and you also have a handle that'll retract right out and then will lock in place. So that way it makes a nice easy exit and entry to the bed. Making our way to the driver door, you will notice this F-150 is equipped with your keypad entry. And here we can see you do have a blind spot monitor with an indicator integrated right into the glass, and that is available on both the passenger and the driver's side. Let's go ahead and take a look inside the driver door. As you can see up top, you will have powered options such as powered windows, power adjustable mirrors, including power folding, which is really nice. You will also have power door locks and memory seating, and as you can see, you can set up to 3 profiles. There's your traditional powered adjustments here on the driver's side. To the left of the steering wheel, you will have a general lamp selector with a brightness and dimming control for your interior and cluster lighting, options for your fog lights and cargo lights, and down below you will have a powered adjustable foot pedals, and you will also have an electronic parking brake. And up top, if that's not enough, you have a power telescoping and tilting wheel. So tons of comfort and convenience features, of course, packed into this Lariat. Additionally, here at All Things Automotive, you will receive 2 keys for your added convenience. As you can see, this key fob is equipped with lock, unlock, remote start, tailgate release, and panic. And upon startup, you can see just under 91,000 miles here on this F-150. And as far as steering wheel mounted controls are concerned, you will have a selector for that center screen and some cruise control options. To the right, you will have some audio and media options, and of course you can pair your phone via Bluetooth and be hands-free. As you can see right over here to the infotainment system and display, this F-150 is equipped with onboard navigation. Let's go ahead and bring up the rear camera. As you can see, nice crystal clear display with your towing and guidance lines. And as far as audio is concerned, you'll have your standard FM, AM, XM radio, Bluetooth connectivity. Down below, you'll have some simple radio controls here, some hard buttons, so you don't have to access everything in the screen, but you can if you would like. Let's go ahead and hit the home button. So there's your audio, and let's go back because you can access your heated steering wheel right here on the screen. There's your options for your, well, I thought the heated seats and the cooling seats would be up there, but they are down here actually. And of course you have your onboard navigation, so on and so forth. Dual automatic climate control makes it really nice for everybody involved in the ride. Complete with heated and cooling seats here. A little bit of storage down below with 2 USBs. A nice sport shifter here with a drive mode selector. 2 cup holders, plenty of storage options here. A nice deep storage console with removable trays for cleaning. And that's not all, guys. Integrated garage door openers, power rear sliding glass. You also have controls for your panoramic sunroof, and you actually have a shade too, so you can open the whole, you have options to open the whole sunroof, but you also have options for this nice shade. So let's go see. That'll come all the way up. Very nice. So let's go ahead and take a look under the hood. Under the hood, you have a 3.5 liter V6 EcoBoost engine. As you can see, very clean, no evidence of exhaust or oil leaks or anything of that nature. Our crew does a fantastic job of making these vehicles ready for the next buyer. And guys, along with that multi-point inspection report, this F-150 LARIAT has received a fresh oil change, a new cabin air filter, and a fresh Pennsylvania state inspection. In the last portion of this video, this is where I'll go over any dings, dents, or imperfections you may or may not find on this F-150. Keeping in mind it is a pre-owned vehicle, none are perfect, but we do like to make them as clean as possible here at All Things Automotive. So starting in the front here, you'll have some small stone chips and minor cosmetic blemishes. Nothing too alarming here in the front. Headlights are nice and clear, no cracks, no condensation, no hazing, no fading. Grille insert is in good shape, although you will have some minor cosmetic blemishes here in the lower bumper, just a little bit of wear and tear from the road. Okay, looks like a little bit of curb rash on this front right wheel here. Badging is good. Some chipping around your antenna there, that nice coating coming off. Some minor cosmetic blemishes here on the paint match mirror cap. Coming around to the passenger door, you'll have some scuffs behind the door handle. High gloss black materials on the outer door, not bad. You are going to have some scuffs, as you can see, and some minor cosmetic blemishes. They are not perfect, keeping in mind it is a pre-owned vehicle. Okay, looking inside, pretty clean. Not much to go over here on the passenger side. Leather seats are in great shape. No rips, stains, tears, and guys, no odors. Super important here at All Things Automotive. No smoke odors. Paint chip right here, right by the door handle. Into the back seat, no scuffing on the back seats. Center console's in good shape. Probably some scuffs there on the hard plastic. Other than that, really nice all the way through. 6.5 foot bed here. It's just a piece of dirt, I apologize for that. But your hard bed cover is in really good shape. As you can see, no cracks or stars on the window or windshield or the back windshield. Goodyear tires are like new. Coming around to the LED taillights, no cracks, no condensation. All the way down to your lower bumper here by your rear proximity sensors. As you can see, you will have some scarring there on that plastic molding piece, and you will have some blemishes here around your camera housing and your latch. Deep scratch there, paint chip there, some minor cosmetic blemishes there. As far as the spray and bed liner goes, pretty good shape. You are going to have some discoloration and staining, but this bed was used and that is okay. Coming around to the driver's side, no dents or dings in the vehicle body. That wheel is in good shape. All the way down to your cab corners and rockers, everything is good. Looks like a small chip. Some of that coating on your fixed running boards is going to be coming off there, guys. And around your high gloss black material here on the driver's side, again, some scuffs, some scratches. Just minor here. If you have any questions on this F-150 LARIAT, give us a call at All Things Automotive. You can reach us at 717-485-4224. Hit option 3 for sales. Additionally, you can shop online 24/7, and you can even get yourself pre-approved at allthingsautomotive.com. And make sure you ask your sales consultant about extended coverage, because this F-150 will qualify. So we hope to see you guys at 21518 Great Cove Road, McConnellsburg, Pennsylvania. Again, my name's Trent. Hope you found this video informational. Thanks and have a great day. Please like and subscribe.